5 natural tips to treat an overactive bladder. An overactive bladder is a common problem for men as they age, and as many as 30% of men in the United States live with the symptoms. It can be a constant inconvenience, causing a sudden urge to urinate. This urge may be hard to control, leading to leakage and dribbling. If you are experiencing bladder control problems, you may feel anxious and embarrassed. It can take a toll on your work, social life, and day-to-day activities. Why not consider our 5 natural tips to start making a difference to your bladder symptoms? If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. 1. Kegel exercises. Kegels are usually an exercise associated with pregnant women, but this isn't always the case. They can also greatly benefit men, helping to strengthen the pelvic floor. To do a Kegel, simply practice contracting the muscles of the pelvic floor. This bladder training is like pumping iron for your bladder muscles and helps to strengthen pelvic muscles and improve bladder control. Stronger pelvic muscles mean better control of the urinary system, which helps to prevent urine leakage and also decreases urinary urgency. When adding Kegels to your daily routine, it's a good idea to record and monitor your urine leakage on a daily basis. This will help to keep track of your improvement. 2. Weight loss. Feeling those extra pounds? A link has long been established between obesity and an overactive bladder. At the annual American Urological Association meeting in 2018, Dr. H. Henry Lai presented a high correlation between obesity and developing an overactive bladder. His research showed that roughly 60% of patients seeking treatment for urological problems were obese. Obesity worsens incontinence, especially stress incontinence. This condition increases the abdominal pressure and causes more leakage episodes. Therefore, losing weight through a combination of healthy eating and regular exercise could be a useful means of prevention. 3. Monitor your fluid intake. In many cases, drinking water can positively impact bladder problems. Increasing your water intake will help dislodge any bacteria trying to reside in the urinary tract, helping you eliminate bladder infections. However, if you have an overactive bladder, you should spread your fluid intake throughout the day, sipping water between meals. If you experience nighttime urination, it is a good idea to limit how much you drink 2 to 3 hours before bed. 4. Avoid bladder irritants. Certain foods are known for their ability to irritate your bladder. Tea, chocolate, coffee, and energy drinks are at the top of the list. It's the caffeine in these drinks that increases the excitability of the bladder wall's muscles. Carbonated beverages are no better. In a 2013 study, carbonated beverage intake was associated with a higher risk of developing overactive bladder and stress incontinence. Alcoholic drinks also take a hit on your kidneys, as alcohol has a diuretic effect. You'll notice that your symptoms increase greatly when you take a drink or two. 5. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto extract is derived from the ripe berries of the Serenoa repens. These small but powerful berries are often promoted for their ability to improve urinary health. Research suggests that compounds in saw palmetto may work with nerves in your urinary tract to ease an overactive bladder. A 2020 study concluded that the consumption of saw palmetto extract for 12 weeks relieved urinary issues including urgent urination, frequent urination, urinary incontinence, and nighttime urination. For more information on how saw palmetto can benefit your prostate, check out our article by Dr. Ahmed Zayed in the description below. While an overactive bladder is not a life-threatening condition, it can have a serious impact on your quality of life. There are many holistic ways to alleviate the problem, and natural supplements combined with the right lifestyle changes might successfully improve symptoms. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new from today's video, Make sure to subscribe to Ben's Natural Health YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, if you want more tips on the best natural ways to manage your enlarged prostate, head over to bensnaturalhealth.com.